Hindi po ako sa rin.
Wala siya? Wow! Ba't ang laki?
Your slide.
It's so big.
Where are you? Yippee! Freedom! Freedom!
Hanggang
Yay! This is the basket. Sexy. Okay, let's go to. Oh. Ay, dun sa ano? From here, the Wi-Fi.
I tried to change.
Alam ko yan.
Ma,
di ba tita, no? Pangalan na anak mo.
ikaw hindi. Asa ka, favorite ka nila.
Yan. Saan mo yung hilahin? Kaya naman sa pag-asawa na wala ka na lang.
Yan, utusan ni Tito tsaka ni Tito Eric.
Na ano yan ang dudukot? Maninilit ko.
Sino nagturo?
Yan o. May mag-agi gani, may magandang sexy beat.
Sino nagturo? Ikaw? Sino na yun ba na?
It's all I've done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see I like you the way you are. When we're driving in the car and our kasi mga bago. Pag walang back burner, bulok mo. Back burner, back burner. Wala. And everyone else watching around like you can. Tatanong ako kanina. Ito wala. Look like a fool to me. Why you have to do make me so complicated? I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. The lies like this you, and you fall and you cry and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into. Honestly, you promise me I'm never gonna find you fake it. Ano yun? Ay, si Tita naman, si Tita naman, si Tita naman. Nakasama ako dyan. Chill out, what you never before. Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see somebody else from everyone else watching you back like you can relax. Try to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me why you have to go and make things so complicated. I see the way. Parang inaantok na ako. Yoko na talaga. First song pa lang. Dance with me, man. 2019. Diba wala rin ano? Bagot. Yung mong tanong ng Sienna. Tsaka Heavy. The Marias. Wala. Beautiful Boy. Wala rin. Ay, nag-aabog ka din na ng mic. Kaya mo na yan, Del. Bahala ka dyan. Walang Beautiful Boy. Napanood mo na ba yun? Yung movie na yun? Yung Beautiful Boy. Kay Timothy. Uy, totoo. Ilang beses ko nung napapanood yun. Tapos kaya ko sa gitara. Perfect Zero. Oh, may announcement daw. May announcement. Ano na? Hindi ko alam yun.
Simula pa ng bata pa ako, halata mo na ako makapaglalo. Kaya ang lahat ay nalilito, magaling sa China's dance at ikaw. Mga lagi ko'y pulang-pula, nagbabagat na. Sino ang mga nagbabagat na? Ibang walang panahon ako sa sakit. Hindi lang ito at ang tuwing ko yung sisilahin. Lagi maglalagay ng pag-ibig. Paano mo na hindi na makakaya na hindi sa tuwing ang pag-ibig. Go, Papa Boy! Go, Papa Boy! Sabi ko, Papa, saan ako na lang?
Hindi na to okay. Uy! Sure 5. Time check, 5:37. Lapit mo. Snoopy!
We low-key wanted to sleep, but tumingin kami sa mga rooms and all the beds were taken. Pero the whole time, there was actually a room that was empty that we could have went in. Yeah. So we kind of, like, all three of us squeezed in one bed and woke up here.
Should've said it before. Yeah, I'm trying to hide it. I can't pretend anymore. I don't wanna die alive. Never find the ends of a broken heart.
Galing talaga nito ng trip sa akin. Hindi ako isa-steam.
Never I'll become who I really am. This is the goal when I say I'm sorry. Hi, Mom.
Bye. It's uwian time. Uwian time, princess.
I want again.
Ayun na, you have still have. Meron pa mga kamay dito, oh.
Mama.
Mama?
Sabi mama.
Hindi ka nagsabi na.
Marami ka kagad ano.
Need sabon.
I like this song.
Oy,
Hey.
bilhin mo yung mga.
Hey guys, we're in the mall and it's still closed. Is this illegal?
Oh, it's not.
To film when the mall to film when the mall is closed?
Here, Philippines. We're here to just browse, check out what's the difference. IKEA Philippines and IKEA Edmonton.
Guys, I think we have a celebrity coming here, so just in case, let's record. We gotta keep it low key, you know why? Hey, put the 3 minutes because we're waiting for the.
Celebrity accepted.
Ow, my ear. We gotta keep it low key because we're not like that, you know?
Super pogi.
Something's wrong. Don't open it. Don't. What happened to it? I don't know. There's another kitty on the wall. Oh my gosh. There's 3 kitties. There's 3 kitties here. Sis, may salamin ka? Wow! Wow! I'm too short. Mommy, Mama, can I sit there?
Baka matumba yung coffee ni Tita, ha?
I like this. What if I love? Oh my god. I need this.
That's 1,000, anak ko. 1,000 CAD.
Pesos?
CAD.
How about pesos?
No.
The iPad.
Here at Starbucks. I'm upside down. Okay, now. Starbucks.
I need an iPad.
So I shall start saving. I need this iPad.
Sa Pilipinas to. Dito galing sa
Cheers.
Ay, chia seed. Chia seed.
Keto, somehow, inaano din sa mga keto. Hey! You're right.
Baligya sa mga salakyan niya. Oo, nagbaligya nga siya to, di ba? Yung mga luxury car. Kasi sabi niya nga, ano eh, nakatambay lang naman dito eh.